After we make a hole in the nylon weaving, it is now time for us to install the grommet. Um, I have several grommets here. Like this one here, it's 8 millimeter, slightly bigger. 6 millimeter. It's okay also. And we have the 4 mm and the 5 mm. I like the 5 mm better, but this is more expensive. This one here. This is has a longer head, neck. This is what we call their neck part here. And in order to there are several ways to install the grommet, but definitely I would suggest using just a flyer, because I already did that before, and it just deformed the grommet. In Amazon, there is a manual like applies, but they also had the the eyelet. This is what we call eyelet, and this is to be installed in the grommet punch. This is what we call the grommet punch. I like it much better because it is very secure and fast, and you don't have to expend so much energy on it. So in our case that we're using 5 mm, that would be equivalent. I have several eyelet, by the way. I have several eyelet here, and this one here, number 5. Depending on the size of the grommet that you are using, and that would also depend on the cord, the size of the cord, and the nylon weaving that you are using. This equipment could also be used in making curtains. Actually, this grommet are actually used for curtains as well. If you look at your curtains, it has holes with grommet like this. Especially the curtains that are not shown, but with grommet like this. A lot of curtains here, especially the shower curtains here, they are just using grommets for this one. Now, when you use grommet, you also there are two parts in it: the male and female. This is the female side, just the washer, and the male side. Okay, so you have to put it in. You have to install it to the hole. See, it's just sufficient for the hole. Okay, then you put it together here. Before we do that, I have to install the eyelet to the grommet. You know, this grommet puncher actually has a lot of things that it can do. It also has a hole cutter, but we're not using it here because the hole cutter of this one, I tried using it to the nylon weaving and it didn't respond nicely, because this puncher is much better for leather. Leather goods, this is very useful when you are, let's say, making leather bags, belts. This is very useful as well. So now let us install this one. There are two parts in this one of the eyelet. One is to be installed at the top. That would pants going down. And the other one to be installed, slip it. It would punch together the grommet and secure it. Okay, so we have the female, and the washer. Install the washer, and here you are. It didn't go too well. I believe I punched it very early, because you have to secure the grommet first. This is the right grommet. I believe I'm using the wrong one. Yeah. Number 5 size. Okay, I think I got the right one. Let's see. Okay. You're the grommet. There you are. Oh my God, I got it wrong. These are small, too small. I believe they're too small for this. These eyelets are too small for the 5mm. Let us see this one here. Yeah, it's too small, guys. See, that's why you need the right tool for what you're doing. Otherwise, it would do it would do the job. Let us see. And one more time. Okay. Let us see. There you are. Very secure.